Are you searching for a cost-effective and safe way to empty your totes with less product waste? The TrueClean ToteTilter is your solution. The ToteTilter uses pressurized air to gradually raise the tote as its weight decreases. This tilting feature allows the product to collect on the valve side of the container for more thorough evacuation. Ideal product applications include flavorings, pre-mixed sweeteners, fats and oils, chemicals, paints, and coatings. The ToteTilter is designed for easy forklift loading and unloading and comes with a hand valve or optional foot valve to enable operators to start the automated tilting process away from any moving parts or pinch points. Designed to be mobile and requiring only a small compressed air supply, the ToteTilter is made of 304 stainless steel and is available in 5-degree or 10-degree angles for better drainability. Take your next step in providing a safe, easy, and cost-effective way to evacuate product from your totes with the TrueClean ToteTilter.